So what does teeth grinding really means? So medically it is called as bruxism. Bruxism is when your child starts grinding too much. If you believe that this teeth grinding is happening daily, and if your baby is having some teeth related issues or sleep related issues, that is the time where we should start thinking about bruxism as a concern. So what are the common reasons why your child starts grinding his teeth? It could be as simple as your child having a malaligned teeth, because sometimes they are used to that habit to start aligning their teeth in the morning, so probably they start grinding a bit more at the nights. The other things is simple stress. Children who have had some stressful events, be it a sibling rivalry or something happens in the school. The other reasons can be some pain in the ear or problems with the 𝘬𝘱𝘰𝘪𝘯𝘵 joint. So having said all this, what solution am I going to give for teeth grinding to my child? Usually we say that children definitely outgrow teeth grinding on the longer run, provided if you are able to relieve the stressors. And no digital gadgets or cell phones or TVs 1 hour before your time to sleep, because that also is a common stressor which most of the parents do. So there are something called as teeth night guards and night protectors which are specifically made by dentists. So the moment they grind them, at least their teeth is safe, and eventually on the longer run we do see that children do outgrow their bruxism habit.